The manufacturing industry that the business research company covers includes commercial aircraft, aircraft components, as well as air, sea, and land-based defense equipment. Chemicals based on the transformation of organic and inorganic raw materials by a chemical process and the formulation of products. Products that generate, distribute, and use electrical power, and electronic products. Industrial and commercial machinery. Metals, minerals, and services that refine or smelt them. The production of paper, plastics, rubber, wood, and textile, and products derived from them. And the production of transportation equipment used for transporting people and goods. We provide in-depth industry coverage and analysis through our industry reports, which include market, customer, and competitor insights on the world's leading markets. The business research company provides hard data and actionable insight to support your marketing strategy, from identifying market opportunities to targeting customers, designing products and services, preempting competitors, assessing channels, and refining promotions and pricing. We make sure you have information and insight for every step of your business planning. So what are you waiting for? Reach out to us now.